Susan. Today I'm participating in DEPHEMEREMBER, and our prompt today is Magical Creature. And this challenge is hosted by Luise and Barbara of 49 Dragonflies. And be sure and check out their channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag DEPHEMEREMBER and also DEPHEMEREMBER 2023. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a tag for the pocket that I made yesterday. And I've already measured out I had a piece of scrap book paper, so I just measured out 3.5 by 7.5. And I'm going to use these elves for my magical creatures. And since it was kind of what I made yesterday is kind of sorry, my kitty cat. It is kind of a cartoon type thing. I figured it can be the North Pole. So I am going to decorate my tag. I've got this Christmas tree. I don't know if it's going to fit or not. A friend of mine gave me a bunch of stickers and such. She quit scrapbooking and she passed all this on to me, and I'm so thankful for her for doing this. Alright, so first I want to make my tag shape. So I'm just going to cut off these corners. And I think I want to go ahead and sew around it, so I'll be right back. Alright, I've got it sewed now, and I think I want to ink around it. Just a little bit. And I think I'm just going to barely hit those corners. Okay. And I think I want to, yeah, I think the tree will fit. And I like that. So I am going to put down my tree. This is going to be another quick and simple one. But I think sometimes you can get away with simple, especially with Christmas where you've got all the pretty papers and it's already so glittery. I hope that'll fit in my pocket. We got that. Now, how cute is that? I think I'm just going to use this as my topper. And maybe one on this side, but first, let's see. I should have some paper. Just something to write on. And let's see, which one do I think I'm going to use this one to go on this side. So there we go. How cute. Now I do want to go around the edges with a little bit of that gold wax. Let's see. I have these Christmas sayings. Smudge a little of the red on there. Get that around. I have enjoyed participating in DEPHEMEREMBER. I have watched some of the others' video, and I have got to catch up with the others. And there we go. And now, hopefully, this will fit right down into the pocket. Now, isn't that cute? I love it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. And until next time, bye y'all.